Hi everyone, this is a video walkthrough of the new Visit the County admin portal. Here's your dashboard where you'll see your content, including listings and any events that you have submitted. On the dashboard, you'll find a admin chat bot where you can connect directly to me and ask any questions you might have. On the top right-hand corner, we have your profile where you can edit your name and email address. And in the top left-hand side, we have our content, including listings and events. Here you'll see that you can submit events here or on the event submission form on the front end of the website. To walk through an event, we have our basic info, including the name, a primary region you want this event to show up in, description, your event times, and your pricing and contact details. If you have a free event, we recommend entering a 0. You can also add text here if you need clarification on cost, if it's $10 per person or per table, for example. A few options for event times include a single day event, which is the same day, different times, start and end time, or an all day event. You can put in your location here and find yourself. You can have a multi-day event, which includes maybe an event today between 4 and 7, and then the same event tomorrow between 4 and 7. Or you could have a repeating event if it's something that happens every Tuesday, every Wednesday, monthly, and you can pick your frequency here and then set it to repeat X many times or until a specific date. Make sure to add in your contact details, including email, phone number, and website. And you can add in your hero image, any carousel images as well. Once you're done, make sure to submit for approval, and this will head right to the Visit the County team. You can also submit events using the event submission form on the front end of the website.